So I forgot to film an intro for really day one in Moab. So we drove all the way from Phoenix, Arizona, or Chandler, Arizona technically, all the way up to Moab in one day. Well, we stopped off at the Grand Canyon and then continued on to Moab. But we got in like super late, I think around 10:30 or so, maybe 11 to Moab, Utah. And we got up the next day and drove out to see some of the trails so that we could figure out where we were going to film, and I never did an intro. So anyways, here's that footage.
I just got a Swiss Army knife. I feel like I'm 12, but I'm super happy about it. And
You feel like it or you look like it?
I feel like it.
You look like it.
I mean, look at this thing, dude. Look at that.
It's got a toothpick. We're ready for the great outdoors.
We're ready for anything now.
If you got to pick your teeth,
Does anybody need a knife?
If we have a delicious steak dinner up there and
Does anybody need a knife?
yeah. Because you know how annoying it is when you've got something in your teeth and you don't have a toothpick?
Yeah.
It's the worst feeling ever. You know, but then at the same time, it's the best feeling ever when you work at it for like a long time and you get it out of there. Oh, yes. Here's all our stuff. The Baja Bronco, custom painted by yours truly.
That guy painted it. No, that
Wait,
guy. There.
you can't see me.
Oh.
You can't see you point at me at the same. If we do this.
Yeah, this guy. He painted that thing.
That's right.
Yeah, cut away from it. Here you go, Dad.
We got
Dad.
Matt learning how to use a knife for the first time.
Should be exciting.
His first Swiss Army knife.
Second, I got my first when I was in the Boy Scouts.
Oh, sorry, it's his second. I don't know why he needed another one or why he doesn't know how to use it then. Because he was evidently a Boy Scout. Nice.
Closed it for the first time. Felt good.
This is going to be fun.
Does anybody need a toothpick? I got a toothpick.
So, we've come a long way. It's been at least a half a mile hike. Probably more.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't hike very often, so I'm kind of winded. But there's a little mini Stonehenge going here. This is evidently where they hold rock stacking competitions or something. Maybe Red Bull sponsored event. I don't know, maybe Monster sponsored event. You know, shout out Monster.
Imagine the truck's coming this way next to him.
And driving through them.
And we've got the gimbal on this side of him. Getting those in the foreground.
And you just plow through one and knock it over.
Hey, let's stop here.
This would be a cool scene for like if you had a Godzilla RC car to go through and knock all these over. Anyway,
Right, cool. We've scouted.
that's what we came for. And it's still,
Yeah, it's only 3/4 miles away.
that's a long way over there.
3/4
Look how little those people are. We're gonna come back
Well, we're
with
good,
more
guys.
water and more prepared.
Yeah, let's turn back.
Less-
Let's get water, food,
Less
and
jackets.
then really come back up with gear and trucks. I think we can shoot this today.
You're sweating a little bit.
Oh yeah.
I'm sweating a little bit. It's gonna be hotter later.
Yeah. You guys?
That's that for now. We're out. Well, just so everybody knows, we got a little winded. I called in reinforcements. We got a helicopter ride out of here. I don't think we're gonna make it back. So I called in my buddy Sky Helicopters, brought in this R44. We're gonna take a little helicopter ride out.
Perks of working at Traxxas.
That's right.
Sounds like dinosaurs over here.
Vlog life.
It's like they got a rusty trombone.
Hole in the rock. Look at that Jeep way up there.
Look at the house and then above that's got the little turbine thing for air, right? Then you got a ladder over here to go where?
I don't go up on top of that rock.
And look, somebody's in the Jeep. They just drive out there now?
Must have. It literally sounds like there's a dinosaur in there.
looks like a haunted house.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, look at this Jeep.
Oh.
Look at these tires on this thing.
And dip ice cream.
That's awesome. All made out of license plates.
I wonder if they really drive it or not.
I don't think it drives. If it does, then the gas pedal is currently on the floor already.
I guess if you do drive, you got big balls.
Do you? Interesting. That's nuts.
It's got cones.
That's a lot of work. Not much clearance either. That's about right. The boss above the miners. I like it. This old lodge sign for prospector. It's cool. No vacancy. Bigfoot.
It's over here.
That's the Bigfoot? Hilarious. It's got hairy toes. Hilarious. They're so funny. Is it a UFO? Look at that electric chair. That's what that is. U.S. Army property. That's cool. That's neat. I like that. We have been had. They're very clever here. There's Mater. Tow Mater. His old mine car. That's cool. Another miner in there. Pretty neat. It is Tow Mater. 1938 Diamond T. It's cool. Turtle. Jailhouse Rock. Ah. That's hilarious.
He's got a lot of humor going on.
He sure does. Look at this chair. Nice. It's a little warm. It's pretty comfy. It's actually not that warm. It's like warm on top, but it's kind of cool down here.
Yeah?
Weird. I mean, you can. You just got to pay to go in.
$12 a person?
No, I don't know. Maybe 12-minute tour. So maybe that's where I got the 12 from. Maybe it's not $12. It might be cheaper. Let's find out. No photos or filming, really?
Yep.
Dang it. Well, so much for that. We're going to stop filming now because we're entering the gift shop. Okay, so that's all we did really on that first day in Moab. We ended up going to dinner somewhere, I don't remember where, and passing out because that was already a pretty long day. So stay tuned for day 2 in Moab. We're going to go out to another couple trails and find some good spots to run the TRX-4. We run the sports, custom Bronco, and a custom Defender out on the trails in Moab. So it's pretty cool, so stay tuned for that. I'll post that in a couple days from this video. But if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to the channel. I need one more subscriber at the time of filming this to be at 100 subscribers. That'll be kind of a nice little milestone to hit. So someone please be my 100th subscriber. and we will see you guys next time. Thanks.